In a world where heroes take flight, 5 legendary protectors soar to defend the skies. From the dark alleys of Gotham's skies, the stealthy and vigilant Batman Owl watches over the city. Agile and daring, the Spider-Man Falcon spins webs of justice as he patrols the bustling skyline. With unmatched power and precision, Iron Man Eagle dominates the skies with his tech-powered flight. Carrying the spirit of freedom, Captain America Eagle stands as a symbol of hope and strength. From the ashes of battle, Wonder Woman Phoenix blazes a trail of courage and justice. Together, these legendary birds of prey defend the skies, proving that heroes can truly soar. Superheroes reimagined as birds of prey.